Hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this particular video we will learn how we can protect our worksheet. So it is very important because suppose you have spent a lot of time, many days, many weeks, you have spent a lot of time to creating a report, to creating a dashboard, any kind of thing. You have created it, and now suddenly someone got the access, and then they deleted it. They have edited something. They have deleted some unknowingly or mistakenly or accidentally. They have deleted some rows or deleted some data or edited some for practicing purpose, edited some rules and all those formulas or function. So your work is gone. Okay, so you can't recover that details. So again you need to create those things from the scratch. Maybe it may happen. So what you can do is you can protect that sheet, so that even you can partially you can protect that sheet, and you can guide to the Excel that okay, this portion is free, anyone can edit, and this is block, there is no editable, this is non-editable section, no one can edit anything, even no one can delete, edit or anything, no one can touch it. And this is the section this is the section, this section is editable, anyone can edit. Okay, and even you can block the entire sheet as well. Okay, so I will show you how you can do it. Suppose there is one sheet, right, and even suppose there are some formulas, you want to hide that formula, that is also possible. So I will show you how you can do all those things. So here suppose I have given one data, dummy data. It is employee name, joining date and designation is there, and now I have created a data validation. Here I created a drop down, and then I have created a VLOOKUP. Based on this, the result will come. Suppose if I select any name, so the result will be changed like this. Okay, so I have created a data validation, and then a VLOOKUP, and all these things are there. So now suppose I am giving the access to my coworker or anyone, I am giving the access. But what I want is, I want, you can do a lot of things. So I want he or she can only view this read only type, only view this report. In your case it might be any other complex report or any other thing, it may be more complex. It's okay. So here I have taken a simple data just to make you understand how it works. Okay, so now what you can do is you can share it, or you can share the entire sheet, that is okay. But you want to protect that sheet, and you don't want to edit anything. He or she will just view it, just they will watch it, but they can't edit it, they can't delete it, anything they can't touch. So in that case what you will do, you will go to review, and then you will protect sheet. Okay, so when you will press protect sheet, it is asking for the password. You can provide a password anyway. If you don't give, that is also okay, but it is better to provide a password anyways. So by default, selected lock cells, selected unlock cell, these two things will be there. So anyway, I will not go deeper into this section. So just the simple thing I want to clarify with you, you are sharing this report, but you want no one will edit, no one will delete this thing. Okay, so just you are protecting that thing. So again, you can provide a password, it is also okay. If you don't provide the password, that is also okay. So now I'm pressing enter. So now my sheet is protected. See, now it is asking for unprotected sheet. Anyway, so what I will do is, suppose I want to delete this thing. See, it will ask the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected protected sheet. Okay, to make changes, unprotect it. Okay, so anything, suppose they are also suppose they want to select it. Okay, and then okay, I think I have unlocked it. So let me do one thing. Let me format cell, unprotect. Let me Just a minute. Locked. Now I want to protect. Okay, I have protected my sheet. Now suppose someone is deleting, it will not allow. Okay, at the same time the drop down also someone is editing, that is also okay. So here is the thing, suppose someone is editing or deleting anything, my system will not allow. Even the same thing here also, suppose they want to see another Nitu cover is there, but another person's result they want to see, but it is also not working. Okay, so delete, edit, nothing is working. Okay, so my entire sheet is protected. Now, so no one can edit anything. But now here is the one problem. The problem is, suppose I want to protect this section, there nothing, no one will edit anything. Okay, this is what I want to protect, and now I want to provide the access this drop down, because if the drop down doesn't work, how they will change it and how they will know the other person designation. Suppose for Raghav they want to see, so it is not working for them as well. So suppose partially I want to protect it and partially I want to give the access. So this A, B, C, this section I want to protect and this section I want to open for them. Okay, so by default what happens is all the cells are locked, so I need to unlock it. So before that, what I need to do, I will unprotect my sheet. So now my sheets, the entire sheets are sheet is unprotected. Okay, so now what I will do is I will just go here, I will right click, I will go to format cells. Here see it is locked, so what I will do is I will unlock it. Okay, now I will press OK. So it is now unlocked. Now I will protect my sheet. So what will happen is, see here, if anyone can delete, it is not happening. If anyone can edit, it is not happening. But here the drop down will work. See, the drop down is working. They can select the drop down, they can see the result. So in your case also it might be different. So one section you are providing the access, and another one section you are locking. So that you want that portion no one will touch, delete or edit anything, but this section they can edit. Okay, so like this thing, this section I have locked and this section I have opened so that they can see the result. Now here is one more thing I will share with you, that is, suppose here see the E option is there. My formula, any kind of formula I have used, so it is visible. So I want to hide that formula as well. So what I will do, I will again unprotect my sheet. Okay, now I will again go here, I will right click it, I will format cell, and here inside protection what I will do, I will hide my rules, formula and function, I will hide it. So I will press OK. Now I will protect my sheet. So here it is. Now see how it is working. No one can delete it, no one can edit it, but here drop down is working. They can see the result. Okay, and again here no formulas. I have used VLOOKUPs, but I have hidden that formula, so no one can see the formula. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how we can protect our sheet. The same way we can protect our workbook as well. If you want to enter the password, that is also okay. If you don't want to enter the password, that is also okay. But when you are sharing with that report to anyone else, I think providing password is a good idea, so you can use it. And now you have understood, partially you can block it, partially you can provide the access, you can hide the formula, or you can hide any formula function, you can hide, partially you can share the access, and even entire sheet you can block, entire sheet you can protect. So like this way you will not lose your data. By mistake no one will be able to destroy your data. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think you have got the idea how you can protect your sheet partially and fully. Use it, and yeah, you are good to go. So that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.